Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, a leading innovator in warehouse manufacturing, has recently expanded its operations to Bengaluru, marking a significant milestone in the company's growth trajectory. With decades of experience in the industry, Scon Design has established itself as a trusted partner for businesses seeking cutting-edge warehouse solutions. The company's mission is clear: to revolutionize the warehousing landscape by delivering state-of-the-art facilities that optimize efficiency, sustainability, and scalability for our clients. At the heart of Scon Design's philosophy lies a commitment to excellence and innovation. Our team of expert engineers and designers work tirelessly to create warehouses that not only meet but exceed industry standards. By leveraging advanced technologies and sustainable practices, we ensure that each facility we manufacture is a testament to our dedication to quality and environmental responsibility. What sets Scon Design apart is our holistic approach to warehouse manufacturing.
Their team has the
We
expertise
understand
in
that